What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in with you, man. Just wanted to talk to you about something that I think that you should know. Because I've been watching it. You do this. I have done this. And now, well, for a while now, I've been knowing the truth about the situation. But I haven't had a chance to actually share it with someone. Well, I talked to my cousin about it or whatnot. But I want to give it to you. So that way this might help you and benefit your life. Like it did mine. You want to own how you make your money. You want to rent your cost of living, where you lay your head, how you go to work. You know, stop trying to own things you shouldn't own, and then things that you should rent, you're trying to own them. You see what I'm saying? So think of it like this: if it's not making you money, it's a liability. It's a big liability. Yeah, you got that car. Yeah, it's taking you to or for the work, but it's a liability. As soon as it leaves the lot, the price goes down. So if that vehicle isn't paying for itself, like you driving it, it's literally paying for itself. You don't have to pay for it. Like it makes the money and makes the payments for you. That way you can use it to, before you get to trade it in and get another one. If it's doing that, then salute to you. But if you just using it to ride around and look good, or you staying in a certain neighborhood just to say, I stay over here, and you know that your bills are tight and you could live a whole lot better life if you didn't have $5,000 a month worth of bills, or $3,000 a month worth of bills, you can live a lot better. So think about that, man. Just take that into consideration. I mean, to each his own. But that has been my goal for at least a good year, 2 years now. Actually, since I've been in Phoenix, I'm gonna take that back. Since I've been in Phoenix, so knocking on 3 years, I've been living by it, and I understand it now. I mean, even with getting vehicles, we know everybody need a vehicle, and you know what? That's crazy because in Phoenix now, I heard it on the radio that now they got some company that just started, and they actually renting you cars. You can rent a car a month. You can change that bitch in once a week and drive whatever you want to drive. And what is charging you for it? To me, it's a no-brainer because you're gonna spend anywhere from $400 to $600 a month on a vehicle just driving it. Now this is paying for it, and if something go wrong with it, you got to pay for it, and you putting gas in it. So you putting gas in it, driving it, plus you making payments. Now I know it might sound smart when you did it, but it's not a wise thing to do. Like, it's not smart. Like, if you're going to use your credit to get a vehicle, make sure that vehicle is making you money, put money in your pocket, and not just paying off that vehicle. Because just think about it. A vehicle is a liability, man. If you got a good work vehicle, you can keep it up. That's a plus. If you got a good truck that can make you some money, you know what I mean, that actually can make some money. I know show truck that can make you some money, then that's a plus. But just having it just so I can ride around and make somebody think, oh man, he's stunned. Man, I might as well rent that shit because it's cheaper, and I can live better, and I can still enjoy life, and I'm not stressed out. You know what I mean? True enough, you might get around the homies. Yeah, man, you got a nice truck. Ooh, man, I like this. And then when you get by yourself, you stress like, damn, I got this bill, I got this payment, stressing me out. You know what I mean? So why put yourself through all that excess drama? Don't do it. So if it's a vehicle that you need to make money with, just pay cash for it. Save your money and pay cash for it. Honestly, I wouldn't spend over 10,000 for any vehicle. I don't give a fuck what it is. 10,000 is a good price on a good work vehicle. If that's my limit, 10, 5, 3, 2, whatever you can do. I done had a good work truck for $1,000. I got one time. I was in Arkansas. I worked that bitch for a whole year and sold it and still got my money out of it. That was a win. You see what I'm saying? So that's just how we got to think about it, man, when we network. And I know you want to be fly. Ain't nothing wrong with being fly. But I want you to be wise, too, at the same time. Hog on.